Are you unable to save your TikTok videos on your iPhone? This can happen due to app glitches, storage issues, or permissions settings. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the couldn't save video issue on TikTok using your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just dive in. Before we start, open up the Safari app. Type fast.com. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn this off. After doing these basic things, if still you have the same issues, then follow the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Enable video downloads. First, open up the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. After that, tap Privacy. Now scroll down a little bit. Tap Downloads. Now enable the video downloads. Solution 2. Allow TikTok photo access. Open the Settings app again. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap Apps. After that, find the TikTok app. Tap on it. Now tap Photos. Now make sure to select Full Access. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Free up the iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app on iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Tap on Delete App. Finally, tap Delete App again. Solution 4. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then, tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. After that, go back home and force close the TikTok app from the recent tabs. Solution 5. Offload TikTok app. First, open up the settings. Tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. Again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. And this is how you can fix the couldn't save video issue on TikTok using your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.